Hello guys, welcome to Soft Coding. In this video we will learn how to create a virtual device in Android Studio and how to use it. A virtual device is very helpful when we are testing our app and we don't have a physical device available. So let's create a new virtual device. Click on this AVD manager. As you can see, I have already created one. So for creating new device, click on this create virtual device, and from here you can select your favorite device. As you can see, all Google devices are present here. So I will select the Nexus 5 and click next, and here you can select the Android version, that what Android version you want to install on your virtual device. Now here are the latest one. If you want lower than 24 or lower than Android 7.0, so click on this x86 images, and you can find all the Android version from start to latest. You have to download the Android version with Google APIs. So I have already downloaded the API level 21, which is Android 5.0. So I will select this one and click next, and here you can give a virtual device name. So I will leave it as it is and click on finish. So our virtual device is creating. It will take some time. Okay, so as you can see, our app is launched on our emulator, and we have a emulator of API level 21. So that's it for this tutorial. And if you like this video, so do share with your friends who need it, and subscribe to my channel.